what helped you transition from that traditional state of mind to maybe we can use AI tools to build this platform?
First, I would say it was the financial realization that I cannot hire a full development team
because they're not cheap.
The other piece of I don't know exactly how I want this to look and feel, and I felt like if I tried to hire a development team, I need to hand them something, right? And what is this something? I don't quite know yet, and I haven't really proven that the flow of what I'm thinking is actually the flow of what I need.
Yeah.
And so going the AI route wasn't just like a financial decision. It was also like I can give it this prompt, and in a few minutes I can have something that I can respond to, that I can test, and then I can say like this works or this doesn't work, versus waiting weeks to get the same.
I love that. So we started off with, like you said, we did some user mapping, trying to understand the different user types, understanding what their journeys might be on the platform. Aw, Zoe. We did all of that brain work kind of together. And then I said, you know what? I'll take the first stab at it. Let me synthesize all of this, take it into, we use Lovable as the tool of choice, take it into Lovable and see what comes out. After that first iteration that I did, you essentially have been hands-on. I haven't seen the thing since. Talk to me a little bit about if you had any reservations or trepidations beforehand versus how you feel expert level now.
I really didn't have anything beforehand because I just wanted to. I didn't really know how it was going to look or how difficult it was going to be, but when I figured out, like, okay, I can use a different tool to practice to get the prompt together to put into Lovable. After a while, I just was in there building. You would think I was like a Lovable expert. I'm oh no, I think we need to add this in. I need to change the color here. And this functionality isn't working the way, and I tested it and it's not working out. Having that level of control,
freedom,
as a founder, I think is so important because if you hire the developer first, and I totally think that there is a space for developers.
For sure.
Once you actually prove that this is the flow, these are the audience types, this is how you need this to look, like when you can give them all of that information, because once they create it, it's going to cost more money to go back and fix something, right? Of like, oh no, I forgot to add this variable, or I forgot to add this functionality, right? Just getting that together along with can people use the tool and I get feedback before I hire a team, I think is phenomenal. Like now I'm able to have conversations and the conversations are not abstract of like, well, I'm creating this thing and this is kind of what I wanted to do. It's like, no, I've created it and I'm going to invite you to use the tool.